Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Peeps sugar cookies. All right, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you need 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks at room temperature but not too soft. 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of salt if you're using the unsalted butter like I am. And then for all the decorations, you need some frosting. So I'm using vanilla so I can tint mine whatever color you want to use. I'm using purple, blue, and yellow. So I have, my dye here and my sanding sugar, those same colors. And then you need something for the eyes and mouth, so I have these little black decorations that are they're ball shaped. And then I was sad because I don't have a Peeps cookie cutter, but I have this bunny and then I have this bunny, so I'm gonna make those work. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna preheat our oven to 350 and line a cookie sheet with parchment paper and set it to the side. All right, so first we are going to cream together our butter and sugar. So that should take about 2 minutes with an electric mixer. All right, that looks great to me. So next we are going to add in our vanilla extract, egg, baking powder, and salt. All right, that is all combined with my mixer. So now I am going to add in the flour a little at a time. I'm going to work probably in maybe half cups until I work up to 2 cups, and then I'm going to stop after the 2 cups. All right, I added in more of my flour, so I probably have used 2 3/4 cup, and I have 1/4 cup of flour remaining that I'm going to use while I'm working with the dough. So now you can see it's kind of crumbly, so we're going to bring it all together with a spatula and dump it onto either a floured or parchment lined work surface. All right, I removed half of my dough ball from my little bowl here, and I just worked it on my surface with some of my leftover flour. And now I am going to roll it out to either 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch, whatever you prefer, and cut out my shapes. All right, my first batch of cookies is ready to go into the oven at 350 for 6 to 9 minutes. And as you can see, I took my little bunny head cookie cutter and I tried to turn it into a Peep cookie cutter. I did the best I can. We'll see how they turn out. But like I said, 6 to 9 minutes, and then we're going to let them continue baking on the pan for 5 to 6 minutes. All right, both batches of my cookies are out of the oven. I'm just letting the second batch cool. I'm so happy with the way they turned out. I was able to get 24 total cookies. So now we are going to let them cool completely before we even try to frost and decorate them. All right, all of my cookies are cooled off now, so now it is time to start decorating. I took some of my frosting out of my first tub, put it in a bowl, and tinted it with my purple food coloring. And now I put my sanding sugar on this plate. I'm going to kind of spread it around. And now I'm just going to put this into a Ziploc bag and pipe it onto my cookie. All right, I piped my frosting onto one of my cookies. Now I'm just going to take that cookie in my hand, turn it upside down, and put it into the sanding sugar. All right, I just dipped that into my sanding sugar, and then I added on the little black pearl balls on there, and that looks so cute. It really looks like a Peep. So let's go ahead and do that for all the rest of your cookies. All right, I was able to get 5 purple cookies out of my sanding sugar that I had and my frosting, and I think they look so cute. They really look like Peeps, so I can't wait to see what the other colors look like. All right, my little Peeps cookies are all frosted and they've been dipped in their sanding sugar, and their little eyes are on there, and they look so cute. So here's all my little Peeps bunnies that I made, and then I've got just some regular bunnies over here. They turned out so adorable. So let's see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Happy Easter!